Hey everyone, this is Ian and I'm back with another Silvia S15 mod or upgrade, and this time I'm going to be mounting the rear relocated battery to its mounting position. And I was trawling the internets, as you do, and found this nice and neat solution, which is an R33 Skyline battery mounting tray. And I think this is going to be a nice and neat solution that keeps it out of the way while mounting it securely where it sits on top of that little hump in between the back seats and the boot area. So, and just to give a little bit more info, I think the part number on this, I can only really see a few part numbers where it's 15U00, or on the underside there's 2441-15U, and I guess at the end of that 000. So here we are looking into the boot, and you can see that I've got my battery cable here, which is coming from the front of the car, and you can see that video on how I ran the wires in the link up above on the right hand side. But currently I've got a subwoofer in there and a little amp, so I'm going to have to think about how I'll relocate that, because this is meant to go here somewhere, and apparently there's already a couple of mounting holes that are already in those positions, down here, and maybe there's going to be something like over here that I'll be able to add some Rivnuts in and mount them in some factory holes. So hopefully no drilling, and I'm just gonna have to remove some carpet trim to be able to mount that R33 Skyline battery box into the Silvia's boot. So I'm gonna just strip everything out and then get going with the install. And it looks like I've got a little helper. Hey, what are you doing in there? Having a sniff around? Gonna help us out today? Come on, jump out. Yeah, look at your balance on that. Bye. Great, so now we can see the area has been cleared up. I'm going to remove this carpet so that I can see all the mounting bits and pieces underneath. So just yeah, back with some pliers. Let's get that guy out. Okay, remove it from the front as well. Yep, so from this side we've got these two little things to pop out. I don't know where that flew off to. Be able to find that in a second. Whoop, there, that goes that one. And then, yep, just easily able to lift that up and get it out of the way. Let's see where it kind of will line up. Apparently, some areas where it does line up, and it's maybe there and there or something. Okay, there's this hump here which is a bit annoying, but let's see what's behind this. Oh yeah, I can feel that. Hold on one second. All right, so just zooming in on this little point here, you can definitely see there is a hole that's been covered up by this little sticker. That's probably going to be super helpful to help mount that battery tray. So there's one there. Yep, that lines up perfectly. And I guess the other one's going to be behind some of this sound deadening. So just, prying that out a little bit. Okay, I can see that there is another one there. Remove. Oh, there we go. So then, let's just test that out. Yeah, you've got nice alignment here and here. for that tray to then sit into. So I'm just going to Rivnut those. Now, just quickly before I do that, I'm going to just mark out where I need to make some holes in this carpet so that the battery tray can be bolted on. This is tricky because it's kind of hard to feel where the hole is behind the carpet. I think you'd be able to, but it's not that easy. So it's kind of around here. Okay, I can feel that point there, and then this one kind of there-ish. Oh god, what's that? Where's the hole? There. Yes. Okay. That's tricky. This is probably not the best way to do it, but I find that this is the easiest way to do it, and I'm just going to use this soldering iron to make us that hole. See, nice and easy. There you go. Come across a little bit of a snag, so these holes here will need a Rivnut so that I can thread a bolt through them, but I don't have anything that's big enough because my tools only go up to M8 and it looks like it's going to be a lot bigger than that. So you can see from that it's about 13.55 or 13.5 mil across. Now you can see this has been done. That's definitely an M10 rivet that I'm using. So I'll just do this second one and then we'll be able to finish the install with putting the carpet in, getting the cabling sorted, and then yeah, trying to figure out what to do afterwards with the subwoofer. Done. Alright, so just to show you how that lines up, you can see that those two holes that are already there but behind those sticker things are in the perfect position. And now I just need to go get some M10 bolts, or another trip to the hardware store because I didn't get any. I thought I had some spare ones laying around, but obviously not. So now that I've got the bolts, the carpet can go back, and you can see that the carpet itself, can you see that on this? Yes. The carpet itself actually has this sound deadening stuff, but there's a little cutout for that hump so that when you put the carpet back on, it's actually quite even, so that when that battery tray goes on, it's going to go on a relatively flat surface. So let's put that back in, and then what I'll do, I'll use this one here because I think that's going to be covered up once that battery tray is in. Then I'll get another one for that side. Like that. Oh no, now that's too bloody big or small, so now I'm gonna open it up. All right, now I do have the tray and those holes widened up both in the carpet and on the tray itself, so there you can see that they all line up nicely. Now let's get this baby bolted up. So I'll start on this one. Great, so I've done that one up. Let's Let's just tighten up this one. Let's have a look on the other side to see if there are any fastening points over there. I don't think. Oh, that was annoying. So I've got all the bits and pieces to make this work. I've got the adjustable clamp here, I've got the battery there, and I've got everything sort of mounted up in terms of fasteners. But now I've just had to undo everything because the way that I wanted this back clamp on meant that in order to have it on all the way from underneath, I needed to remove the 2 bolts holding that battery bracket in order to do this, which is to get the little L end of that little clamp bit and all the way underneath. The whole thing needed to be undone again. So if you're going to do this, make sure you have this installed all the way underneath. Otherwise, if you have it all sort of done up and you can't be bothered, you can have it going through just this one sheet, this one layer of the metal, but I wanted it all the way through underneath, all the bottom to the bottom, so that it didn't stick up as much up the top as well, so that there's more sort of clearance at the bulkhead up here. So yeah, I did have to undo it all again. So I'm going to put it all back together and then show you the final result. He's back. Just checking things out, little buddy. What are you doing? I think he's found his new home. You good? This is the finished setup, so you can see it from the back here. The amp, there's good space on the side there for an amp of that size, so that's a Hertz HD4. Then I'll show you from the other side as well. Then you can see from this side, that's how it all kind of goes in. And I'm hoping the sub can still fit in there, I'm not sure, but only one way to try. So there you go, that's how you fit the Skyline R33 rear battery tray into your Silvia S15. Hope that's helped you out, and if you like my videos, make sure to like and subscribe, and check out the playlist for the S15 because there are a whole bunch more videos that I've done here as well. Especially if you want to know how to do a rear battery location with a charging point out the front. I've shown you how to do that on my videos, so check it out. Here's how it looks with the rear seats folded back up again. You can see there's still plenty of clearance in the back. Alright, so I tried refitting that sub and it's too long, so I'll need to find a different solution. But other than that, really happy with the result. So make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.